Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make cucumber salad. It's refreshing, healthy, and you can't stop eating it. There are very few simple ingredients in this salad. If you want to print the recipe, I've put a link right below the video. These are hothouse cucumbers, also called English or seedless cucumbers. You can leave the skin on since it's so thin. If you're using cucumbers with a thicker skin, peel them. Flat leaf parsley. If you like dill, you can use that or another herb. Vegetable oil, apple cider vinegar, yellow onion, sugar, salt, and pepper. To slice the cucumbers, you can use a knife, or if you want perfect thin slices, use a mandolin. Most of us who have a mandolin store it in a cabinet and forget about it. This is a great opportunity to take it out and actually use it. Mandolins are a great tool for slicing and shredding most vegetables. I have done a review of this particular one, and if you want to see it, I'll put a link in the description below. Cut the onion into very small pieces. Chop the parsley. Trim one end of the cucumber. The other end will be in the holder, so we don't have to trim it. Slice the cucumbers. Nice even slices. This would take much longer with a knife. Put the cucumbers in a bowl. Add the onion, parsley, salt, ground black pepper, sugar, vegetable oil, and apple cider vinegar. Mix this really well. Taste it. I'll add a little more salt and sugar. Put the salad in the fridge for an hour, then it's ready to serve. Make sure you stir it again before serving. This tangy cucumber salad is a bright side dish that goes with any meal. I do hope you give this a try. It's one of the easiest salads you can put together very quickly. Subscribe for more recipes and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.